Have you ever bought Jinko modules? How to identify the module source, quality level, authenticity of Jinko modules? You might have seen the Chinese top 10 PV module shipment rankings in 2023. Yeah, that's true. After 4 years, Jinko once again returned to the number one. What's the most popular PV brand in your market? And have you ever bought Jinko modules? Supposing that you are faced with a dazzling array of Jinko modules, how to identify the module source, quality level, authenticity of Jinko modules? What situations will you encounter when you receive Jinko quotations from different sellers? Someone will say, I always ask my friend to go to the sellers for inspection, and I'm relieved that I must buy the cheapest Jinko modules. Okay, in the next video, I will show you how to deal with the different situations and how to identify Jinko modules. Follow us, click and give us a like.